course and I stopped studying because of financial problem. I have an experience as a housemaid in Iloilo where I served a couple with 2 children. My main duties is taking their children and sending them to their school. When I'm in home, I also do all around household chores, cooking, and do laundry. Sir, Madam, if you hire me as your server, I promise to do all my best to serve your family well, to treat them as my own family, and to be a responsible and dependable employee. Thank you.